Good morning. This is a recording for Friday, May 9th. Today's Zen story is titled The Desert Nomad. As always, I'll read it to you first, and then we will do a short reflection around it. A merchant crossed the desert, leading his camel toward a distant city. For days he followed the stars, charting his course by the sun. But when a great sandstorm came, the sky vanished, and his sense of direction vanished with it. When the storm passed, the desert has changed. The dunes had shifted. His tracks were gone. A lone nomad sat nearby, warming his hands over a small fire. "Excuse me," the merchant said, gripping his camel's reins. "Which way leads to the city?" The nomad looked up. "Ah, a fine place. Have you been before?" "No," the merchant said, "but I have heard of its wonders." The nomad nodded. "Then how do you know it is ahead of you?" The merchant frowned. "Well, because I was told the path leads there." The nomad glanced around. "What path?" The merchant turned. The sand stretched unbroken in every direction. No road, no city, not even his own footprints remained. His mouth went dry. "But where do I go?" The nomad smiled and poured tea into a clay cup. The wind shifted. The dunes moved. The horizon did not. Now take a comfortable position. Allow your body to relax and arrive in stillness. Perhaps close your eyes and take a nice, satisfying breath in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. See if you can be here in this moment, just as it is. Thoughts may come. Let them pass like clouds, like ripples, like water. Now take a moment to reflect. If every path vanishes, do you keep walking? Are you lost, or have you simply arrived where you are? If every path vanishes, do you keep walking? Are you lost, or have you simply arrived where you are? What moves, the traveler or the horizon? If dunes shift and the wind turns, who or what is leading? What moves, the traveler or the horizon? If dunes shift and the wind turns, who or what is leading? Now bring your hands to your heart, and as always, send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now. Physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with these reflections. I also put the suggestions for practical moments of Zen in your day into our private circle group in case you want to play with it. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.